Hey everyone, I'm Stephanie Conlon, one of the CMS Elementary Math Specialists, and we are so excited about all the wonderful things that are going on around CMS with the math routines that we've created. And we just wanted to share a couple updates with you. We're hearing about building classroom community, students developing their communication skills, as well as all of those other wonderful things about math, like developing fluent, more efficient strategies for solving problems, thinking about how operations work with the numbers that they're using. So we're just really excited to continue this work with you guys this quarter. So I have a few quick reminders for you as you move into the second quarter of math routines. And the first one is that if we're going to call it a routine, it's because it needs to be done 3 to 5 times a week. So once or twice a week is practice, but we call something a routine because it's a habit. It's something we do repeatedly. And if what we want students to do is learn to use these mental strategies as ways that they can think to solve their own problems, we want to give them the opportunity to develop those habits. So that's the first one. Secondly, this is not a sprint. This is a marathon. So I want you to think about the long game for these routines in terms of building students thinking over time. And so put a timer on yourself if you need to. We can spend up to about 10 minutes on a routine daily, but you don't want to go much farther than that because you also have a core lesson that you are trying to accomplish lots of other learning goals for your students. And remember, routines are done frequently. And so you might need to say to your kids after 10 minutes or so, hey guys, tell you what, we're going to move into our lesson. I'm curious if we sleep on this tonight after today's lesson, if we come back to it tomorrow, will things feel a little bit different for us when we approach this problem again? So feel free to do that if you need to. I'm guilty of that as well. I am a talker. So sometimes it's good to make sure we put a timer on ourselves. And lastly, be curious alongside your students. So there's no one right way to think through the routine tasks that are provided in your slide decks. Students might approach these problems very differently, and we want to lift all of those wonderful ideas up, find the similarities between them, what are the differences, get students doing the work, asking the questions, doing the thinking out loud. The more the heavy lifting the students can do, the more that they're learning, the more that they're owning what they're doing, and we get to learn how they think through math. So we hope you've enjoyed the quarter one round of routines. Please let us know how this second round is going, and thank you all so much.